Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a short clip focusing on the US dollar Swedish krona. It's a clip taken from a long video, 66 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. If you're interested in details about my service, please stay on after the clip ends. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a great week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This past week we have seen marked deterioration in the stock market, and some of the indices that I follow and I'm going to discuss here in this video are showing us some ominous signs. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, British pound US dollar, US dollar Swedish krona, and then silver, high grade copper, Brent crude, light crude, heating oil, gasoline, the euro bond, and then the euro bond continuous chart, the USD bond. That's I'm still looking at June 2011, but for trading you should take September, and then I'll have a look at the USD bond continuous chart. I'll have a look at the TYX, the S&P 500, S&P 400, the DAX, the FTSE cash, the Chinese Securities Index. I'll have a look at two special situations for stocks quoted in the US, specifically for shorting or for buying puts. That's Mattel, and the other one is Jack's Pacific. That's where you can actually point your finger and say, yeah, we've got a clear signal. Not yet. Okay, that's the US dollar Swedish krona, and that's the weekly scale. And I'm going back to this chart because often it has been fairly helpful in trying to call the trend here with the US dollar, even though I'm sure that many of you do not trade or do not intend to trade this currency pair. But the point is, of course, to try to get as much information as we can from a chart that was helpful in the past. We see here a double bottom on the MACD, and we have on the scale, this is the weekly scale going back into July 2006. I'm not going further than that, although there is also a pattern that is helpful there. I'll do that on a different occasion. Right now, this is a possible 108-20B. We go down. If this is indeed a third wave, that's a 1-2, that's a 3, potential 3 down. And when you look at open the weekly here, and you can see what's going on. The weekly going down, that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 3 potential down. Potentially down, that is the fifth leg you see in red, and that's the third. So 1, 2, 3. So if that's the case, we can argue based on this chart that what we are doing here is a fourth wave. That is another reason why I don't think that this market is ready for a major slump. There is simply not enough time in the correcting phase here vis-a-vis what we had here. It just doesn't look ready. And you can see the line here. This is an important line, came down, smashed by the line down. So the most that I can see in terms of the potential, the downside potential, is to go and test back the level here. But this does not look to me sorry, this does not look to me like a market that is ready to continue in a major slump. Now let's go to something that may be lending some sort of hope to the dollar bulls here. As you can see, that's the bottom, that's the surge that we had that looks like it's registered a clean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legs up. That's an A, that's a B, appears to me like C. That is a C. The last several weeks here, we had a C down after the AB is down here. Now let's go to 120-minute chart. Okay, that's giving us very good very good perspective as it is. Let's stay with it. And that's what I'm talking about. First surge up. That's an A, that's a B, 1, 2, 3, 4th wave, down in the 5th. If I'm right on that, the market should soon reverse, close above 625. Let me show you. Close above 625, we are probably through. That is targeting 640 and may go quite a bit higher. Let's go to the 240 minutes and see the MACD here, because often the MACD on 240 minutes, it's quite helpful. It's helpful to to gauge the short-term potential of the moves. And you can see here we have a diversion. Market went down, the MACD was not following. It's quite possible that the round down here exhausted the potential for the downside. We have a line here, right here, and as I said, a jump back above 625 would be the right thing, what the bulls like to see. Welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download the full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.